Alright, so today I'm out in the shed again. I'm going to try and do this accessories belt that I missed the other day. Figured I'd make a video in itself. First I gotta get snorkel out of the way again, fans out of the way, and that should be enough. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do it. Like, I'm going to have to do it one-handed or tripod it, try and I'll figure something out. Alright. You can kind of see what I'm doing there. Alright, 10mm socket for the fan, Phillips head for the snorkel. See, I don't need music, I just make my own. Do 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 do. Crack these off. Dum 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 dum. Now normally when I'm doing this, you can pay attention to how the belt comes off, so you know how it goes back on. That'd be how you used to do it back in the day. But these days with Google, I'd just search an image and look at it from there. But because I'm recording with my phone, I can't search images, so I've drawn this up for me to go off. Pardon me. Alright. Snorkel off. And that fan should just hop up out of the way. That. Move this out of the way for a minute. Unplug the fan. Yep. Get that out of the way. Now we can see in there. I don't know, you can't really see in there, there's not much light, but I'm going to get on that tensioner down there. Where it's going to go, hold on, I'll show you the tensioner. This is the tensioner down here. You got to get on there with a 3/8 ratchet, pull the tension off the belt and slip him out. So I'm going to try and, I'm not going to be able to film that very well, but if you see what you put the ratchet on there, you'll see which way it's spring loaded. Okay. Alright, that's sort of the best view I've got for right now. So, get your ratchet out. Tension off. And pull it back. Ugh. You see me down here? Well, it's the same size, if anything. This one's got a little bit more length in it. Alright. Now I look on my little chart. Goes down like that. I might take this shot a little bit so I can look at it. Alright, that goes over to there. Just get it on the tension pulley first, I think. So that's the trickiest one. Alright. Got it around. Go over there. It's always a bit of a puzzle doing this. Do that around there. That's looking good. Now I'll get this tension back on this. Oh my god. Alright. Take the tension off it and stick it over the last pulley. this one. Oh. Put it on there. And the last pulley. Beautiful. Just double checking everything's sitting in their grooves properly. All right, let's have a look at that. Brand new belt. So it goes over all the grooves properly. Around the alternator, around the power steering pulley, over this top pulley, AC pump, to the crank, around the crank to the tensioner, and from the tensioner to the water pump, from the water pump back to the alternator, and that's the route. There we go. If you want to pause on that, that might help you out. All right, so belt's done. The old one can go on the rubbish. She was pretty bad. Wasn't cracked or anything, but still worth changing. Hang on the wing. Alright. So reverse procedure, take the fans back in. Or is there nothing I can do while I'm still here? Nah. Okay. In with the fans. Go. Drop straight in. It's in the slot. That one's in too. Okay. Okay. This one. In my socket, nick them back up. Okay, that's that one. Let's got that one tight. Pop the hose back in here. Use a little spot. Put the thermos back in. Diety, here! Oh, I got the dog out. Make sure she's not causing trouble. Oi! Get out the back. Come here. Are you good? Put him back together. It's all back together. Nice. Comes away. Okay. Yeah. Get in the car. These gloves off. Means I'm retiring. Just from this job. There's that new fan belt. Pretty sexy engine bay, really, for a stocky. I'll get some headers for it soon. I might paint up that rocker cover. But all in the future. Let's keep it going. Shut this up. Oh, hello doggo. Turn that flash off. Alright, well that's the end for this video. I'm gonna wrap it up there. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Next video, it's gonna be a banger. Yeah, I'm going to be contributing to the Creator Burnout Challenge. So we'll see how that goes. See if I can throw my hat in the ring. All right. It's just I've got a little cheeky trick up my sleeve. I'll yeah, film that. Keep in touch. Stay tuned, and yeah, let's get it. Peace out. Drive carefully.